Here you can see, here I have this AI generated 3D model. You can see the topology of this model, the density of the triangles. The triangle count of this model is more than 9 lakh, which is not good for the game engine. I will try to optimize this model for the game, and you can see the texture of the model. We are not going to get the same texture if we optimize the model for the game, because we need to do the UV unwrapping and then texture. If I go to the UV editing tab, then you can see these UV islands, the UV unwrapping of the model. And if I try to decrease the vertex count, then I will mess with this UV unwrap. Now I will give the name to this model, Ruin HP for the high poly, and then I will duplicate this model and I will give the name Ruin LP for low poly model. I'm going to hide this high poly model. Select the model and then go to the modifier, add modifier, generate and add a remesh modifier like this. First I will choose the sharp option here, and then I will increase the depth, slowly increase the depth to see the form of the model and see the vertex count, that triangle count also. 87,000 is more, so I will keep the depth 6, and we are getting this kind of result. Choose the smooth option and the result is like this. 21,000 triangles is enough for this kind of ruin 3D model. I'm going to apply this remesh modifier. Now we have got this block here. Go to the shading tab, select the model and create a new texture here. Give the name texture, Shift A, texture, image texture, new texture, and create a new UV texture here, a 4K texture, and generate a type color grid and connect this color to the base color. Then go to the UV editing tab, and now we are going to UV unwrap this. Select everything and then go to the UV and smart UV project, unwrap, and see which kind of UV unwrapping we are getting here. Now this is not right UV unwrapping for this kind of model, but we want to select this base part, which we don't want here. Select this bottom part in UV space by pressing L key and then delete these faces. Okay, we don't need that part. Then select this bottom edge loop and Ctrl E mark seam like this, and you need to add a few seams on the model, so you can use the shortest path selection for that. These kind of models are good for the large scale scene, for large environment. You just need to place these kind of models to feel that environment. These kind of models are good. You can generate these kind of models with the help of AI and you can feel your environment. So here is our model. We have done the UV unwrapping of the model. You can see all UVs, and this is pretty good for these kind of models. Okay, now select this model, then go to the file, export and FBX. Select the object, give the name and export it. Now we need to select the high poly model and we need to export this high poly model. Select it, export FBX, selected the object and then give it a name, Ruin High Poly. and export it. Now in Substance Painter, open the FBX. You can see this is looking like this. Then go to the texture set settings and bake mesh maps. Output size should be 4K and select the high poly model here and bake mesh maps. I'm baking high poly details on the low poly model. Now the baking process is done and you can see those high poly details we are getting on this low poly model and it is looking really well. There are some artifacts but you can ignore them. Now just we need to go to the layer tab. You can use the smart materials and here I have this ancient drawing texture. Just drag and drop here and you will get this kind of texture here. I'm just changing some parameters in the texture. I'm increasing the wear level and you can see the model, you can see the texture we are getting here. Now I will export this texture. Go to the file and then export the texture. Choose the location, create a new folder, texture, then output template, PBR metallic roughness with AO, then PNG 8-bit and texture size 4K, and then export the texture. Then close Substance Painter. Here is our low poly model. Go to the shading tab, delete this UV texture, select this principal BSD app and Control Shift T and then embed these textures here. And there you go, you will get this kind of texture. You can see how it is looking in the blender. You can add a triangulate modifier and you can see you will get this kind of ruin 3D model. You can see the details. We are getting pretty much good details here on the model. You can notice some artifacts, but that's totally fine. You can see the topology. The triangle count is 17,000. This method you can use to optimize your AI generated 3D models for games.